Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are doing independent practice for lesson 7, solving multi-step equations. And when you get stuck, just go back to page 22 and follow the directions. It's not that bad. You can do this. It's just math. All right. So this was the homework assignment, and let's go over it. Starting with the first problem, I'm going to make it nice and big because I can't see it. So if I can't see it, you can't see it. Here we go. 2y minus 5y. Well, 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Keep the y equals 24. Okay, that's not too bad. All right, the inverse of 3 times y is to divide by 3. Well, negative 3. It would probably help if I had a pen that worked a little better too here. Divide by negative 3. Ugh. Negative 3 divided by negative 3. Positive 1y. Oh, bah. Can't with that pen. Here we go. Positive 1y equals 24 divided by negative 3. Negative 8. And now, let's check that. How can we check it? Well, we could go, hey Siri, what's 2 times negative 8 minus 5 times negative 8? And see what she says. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Siri. So, she helped us with that. The answer is 24. Okay, the next one. Let's take a look at this. Now, wishing that my red pen would work a little better, let's combine some like terms. I'm going to rewrite this so that all my like terms are together. Makes it a little easier for me. So I have here 2x plus 4x. And I have 3 minus 6 plus 3 minus 6. So those are my like terms. Oh, but what about that 9? Well, the other side of the equal sign is 9. You can only combine like terms on the same side of the equal sign. Once you go to the opposite side, you have to do the opposite operation. So as long as I'm on this side of the equal sign, I can just go, oh yeah, 2 plus 4, 6x. 3 minus 6, negative 3. And keep the equals 9. All right, here's hoping that the red pen works this time. The inverse of subtract 3 is to add 3. A little bit, nah. All right, and add 3. 6 minus 3 plus 3, well, that's 0. And 6x equals 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay. Do I have any other color? Is there anything out there? Oh, here's a green, dark green. That might work. Here we go. And the inverse of, wow, look what happened. That's not even close to helpful. The inverse of times 6 is to divide by 6. And I get, dun, 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 x equals 2. Okie dokie doodle. Now go back and check that. Let me just check it on a normal calculator and leave my girl alone for a day. Here we go. So I like the side of the calculator that has the parentheses. So 2 parentheses, what I get is an answer, 2. Can you see what I'm doing? No. Close that parenthesis. Minus 6 plus 4 parentheses, 2 parentheses, plus 3. See what happens. Oh, yeah. Siri doesn't like me. Siri's a little easier. My computer is not liking me today. Sorry, phone. You're not helpful. Put you away. All right. I might actually have to do a real check. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to do a real check. 2 times 2 minus 6 plus 4 times 2 plus 3. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 6. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3. All right. 4 minus 6 is negative 2, plus 8 plus 3. Negative 2 plus 8, 6 plus 3. Oh, thank God, that equals 9. Sometimes paper is better than my phone. Imagine that, knowing how to do math. All right, what are we doing here? Where'd the blue pen go? Oh, here it is. Somewhere over the parentheses, we multiply. Oh, don't sing, Bono. It's a hard thing. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 3 and negative 6. Okay, and the other side stays just the same as always, 14. Now, what are we going to do here? Say a little prayer for my red pen. Plus 6. Oh, come on. Plus 6. Well, you can sort of see it. Good enough for government work. Negative 6 plus 6, 0. 14 plus 6 is 20. Bring down the 2x equals 20. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. X equals 10. And I go back and I am going to do that just by hand because apparently my phone is not a happy camper. 2 times 10 minus 3 equals 14. Order of operations, parentheses first. 10 minus 3 is 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. Well, that's true. 14 equals 14. Yay, that checked. I am never going to skip checking my work because you know I make a lot of mistakes. And I know that if I make a mistake, I just have to fix it. Now the next one, remember how I said if you have a denominator, you have to multiply times the least common denominator, yada, yada, yada. Except for this. Look at this. This is 1/2. 1/2 really means divide by 2. So 6 can be divided by 2 evenly, and 4 can be divided by 2 evenly. Why on earth am I going to spend all my time multiplying by blah, blah, blah? No. I'm just going to divide by 2. Listen, it's not that bad. Here we go. 1/2 of 6 is 3x. 1/2 of negative 4 is negative 2. Listen, why make things harder on yourself than they need to be? Equals 10. All right? The opposite of minus 2, plus 2. Going to plus 2 on both sides. Come on, you were sort of working out. Whatever. 3x minus 2 plus 2, that's 0. Bring down the 3x. 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. Now, if I got everything the right side, yeah, here we go. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. And x equals 4. Okie dokie doodle. That's not so bad. All right. Now I'm going to check it because, you know, I didn't quite follow the rules here. I did algebra, whatever. Let's check it. Here we go. Check. And it's 1/2 of 6 times 4 minus 4 in parentheses. Let's see. 6 times 4 is 24. So 1/2 of 24 minus 4. 24 minus 4 is 20. 1/2 of 20 is 10. And that's what I was looking for. So, yes, it worked. Ha-ha. All right. Back over here to the review. Bono, bono, bono. You are pulling us all the way back to the last, what did we do before? We were doing, oh yeah, exponent rules. So when you're multiplying, big dot of multiplication, you add the exponents, 2 plus 3. It's not going to work again, is it? 2 plus 3. Okay. But this is the important part. B to the 0 power. What is b to the 0 power? Well, b to the 0 power, last time I checked, was 1. So divide by 1. All right. Keep the base b. 2 plus 3 is 5. B to the 0 power is 1. Divide by 1 is b to the 5th power. The next one is even easier. I didn't think it could get easier, but it is easier. So keep the base 3, and then this is the power rule. It's a power to a power. And when you have the power rule, you multiply your exponents. 2, write in a different color, old woman. Here we go. 2 times 4. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. So this is going to be 3 to the 8th power. Now, I could actually solve that if I had a better calculator, but I'm kind of tired of doing my homework, and it's like 7 o'clock at night, so I'm not doing this anymore. All right. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.